Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to once again our new video. Today, I'm going to make a spring, and we will do some simulation, and we will see the basically an static simulation, basic simulation. See how the spring behaves under a load. So before designing this model, I mean a spring. So what exactly spring? Spring nothing any I mean elastic body. No, it's a elastic not a body. It's just like elastic machine element, any Mali element, which is I mean deflect. I mean deflect what it's deflection occur when under a load. Okay, if you apply a load, it will be deflection. Of course, it will be deflect. Okay, so spring like that. So we have a variety of use of spring in our I mean our any automobile sector. If you see a damper in a car, so these they are all used spring. Okay, they have of course they used spring in a speedometer. Of course, in a speedometer use spring. Okay, so analog speedometer of course use springs. In digital, it not use the I mean a spring. Okay, and a very important application of spring also is that it calculate the force. This is very important because force is equal to kx and k is the spring constant. If you know the value of x, you will find of course if you applied a load and if it deflect with the x, and you can find the force. This is the very important I mean the function of the spring. Okay, so we have two type of spring. Okay, so first one is that compression spring, and the second one is that I mean the elongation spring. So it will be elongate if you apply a force I mean opposite to the axis of the coil. Okay, axis of the coil. Okay, so song has been done. Now I'm going to be design a very beautiful spring. Okay, so first choose the unit. So I will go for mmgs. Now choose front plane. You can choose any plane. Okay, so first select a circle. So this circle is the I mean the coil circle. Okay, so first choose the diameter of the coil. Okay, a spring coil. So choose here 10 nm. Okay, and now choose this also features. So here helix and spiral. Okay, and I will go for pitch and revolution. You can go for height revolution, height, pitch, spiral. Okay, a spiral you can see like that. Okay, so it is like agarbatti, sorry machhar wala agarbatti. ठीक है. Okay, so you go for pitch and revolution. Okay, so suppose if you increase this I mean if you increase the pitch. Okay, so it will like a straight wire. Okay, so I will show you. If you suppose if you increase the pitch, I mean the pitch is nothing but the adjacent between the coil. Suppose this is this coil and this coil. The distance between this adjacent coil is called as pitch. Okay, suppose if I increase the pitch up to 500 meter, so it will be like a straight. Okay, so better be less as possible as possible. So they have two types of spring. I already told about the compression spring, and we have then the elongation, and this is called also an extension spring. Okay, so make a so I will go for the compression spring. So in compression spring, I mean the pitch is about 2 mm, so less than, not less than, so 5 mm is better. Okay, but in extension spring the pitch is so less. I mean it's about 1 mm, so it's mean distance between that. It's so I mean it's so I will show you what is the difference between these two. Okay, spring, and I will show you. Okay, so go to the first helix. Okay, so we have taken a pitch up to 2 mm and 10 revolutions. Okay, done. Now I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to be create I mean we have to make a I mean the wire. I mean we have to make a circle of the wire. Okay, so choose top plane, of course chop plane. Okay, select on the top plane, and we have to create the wire. I mean circular wire. So wire of the circle. Okay, so choose here and just like that, and wire diameter, take a wire diameter up to 2 mm better. Okay, so now I'm gonna be use this feature. This is the swift boss command. Okay, so first we have to click on profile, and we have to first next we have to click on path, so it will be rotate like that. Okay, so yes, you can see like this. So this is known as what this you know that there's a p, I mean the pitch is so small, so it's the distance adjacent distance is so small. So this is what this is called an extension spring. If you apply a force opposite to the I mean this axis of this coil, opposite to the axis of the coil, this will be what, elongate, of course elongate. So if we increase some amount, okay, let's say 5 so it is just like a compression spring, you can see. So this compression is very useful in I mean it's useful in a very useful in automobile sector. Of course in automobile sector this is very useful. Okay, it is also useful compression, I mean extension spring also useful, I mean elongation spring. Okay, so in this spring the force is applied. Okay, I mean like that. Okay, this will I will show you. So now I'm going to be simulation this study, new study, go to new study, and we will do a static of course. So go for the apply a material. I will go for no like that not. Okay, so first delete this static structure. So I will go for first we have to make a I mean where the force will be applied. Okay, so I will choose a top front plane, of course front plane, and sketch. Okay, and make a rectangle, sorry not a rectangle, I will go for a square up to 15 by 15. Okay, 15 by 15. Okay, so yeah, done. And extrude this feature up to 10 or maybe not 10 maybe 2 okay, better. So yeah, done. It will take time. Okay, yeah, it will take time. So might be okay, suppose if you throw all it will like that. Okay, okay, so we have to make up to body, up to mid plane. Okay, so we have to, sorry guys, it's offset. No, I will go for up to blend up to opposite direction. Okay, so yeah, so now that's good. So 2 better. Okay, so yeah, that's good now. So it will take time. Yeah, that's good. So now we have to make another plane to create like this I mean this square, I mean this square. Okay, so choose here plane. Okay, and choose here I like that what is that, yeah, front plane, and hit OK. Okay, so plane has been created here, and we will sketch on this plane like this we have created previous. Okay, so like that normal view. So again 15 by 15. Okay, choose a dimension 15. Okay, and yeah, of course, so 15. Yes. Okay, okay, yeah, again we have to go to feature extrude. Okay, command here. Now I'm gonna be, yeah, of course, up to 2 Okay, so this is known as a compression spring. So we will apply a force I mean in the direction of the this axis of the this coil. Okay, so go to this simulation feature and new study, and static. Of course we will do a static study, and we will fix one of the face of this face. Okay, so first we create apply a material on this. Which material? So make a steel, not steel, aluminum. Like make aluminum alloy. So choose 1060. Okay, standard is better. Okay, so now we have to fix a geometry. So I don't want any connections here. Okay, so we have to fix a so I want to fix a geometry here and fix it, and I will apply a force. Okay, okay, so take this force. So in the direction, I mean in the direction coil direction. Okay, 500 better, and create a mesh, fine mesh. I will go for fine. Okay, holy shit. Okay, I will go for fine. Yes, yeah, it will take some time. Okay, okay, wait. Yeah, it's doing. Yes, yes, mesh has been created now. Now I will run this study, and we will see the output. What's the output gives? Okay, okay, so excessive displacement we will calculate in this model. Okay, so if you system is properly distant, consider the large displacement. If you click yes to solve the large displacement failure, click also no. I will go for no. I will go for no small displacement. Okay, so you can see now, you can see here displacement here. So what is the displacement here? And okay, so what's how many displacement happen here? So this is about 102 mm displaced. Okay, so I have given a force up to 500 newton, so it displaces up to 102 mm newton. Okay, so I'm going to animate this how this looks. Okay, so you can see, so it yeah, like that. So you can see here, of course, this is known as compression speed. This and if you apply a force opposite to the direction axis of this coil, okay, so it will elongate. So always keep it in mind, the piece should be as less as possible in a in a extension spring. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you like this video. If you don't like then this video, then of course dislike this video. If you like this video, then like this video. If you again, if you not like this video, then comment down below, and you can do anything. Comment in the section what is I mistake. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video, and for watching this. Sorry, fuck man. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and hope this 2021 will be go better. Not like 2020. Okay, so thank you for watching video, and goodbye.